Bonjour, bienvenue. Hello, my beautiful souls in Poland. You are watching the Tilarot. Thank you for being with me this morning again. We were talking about a lot of we're talking a lot of things about the tarot cards. One just came to my mind that we're not talking about. This is the rules. There are some rules what we need to keep when spreading a card, reading a tarot deck. One, I think the most important one is that you're not crossing, not you don't cross your legs or your arms, fingers, nothing. You're open. Even you can open a bit your legs, your arms, in this opening position would say. Even this is the closing one. The opening position to open the energy to flow flawlessly without any problem. Another one, as you saw with the falling out cards, they are volunteers. Usually they're reading. I read, except yesterday, but I read. When it's fall out, then I take an. Okay, we have one card. Upside down, I reverse cards. Card could came up reversed, which means that it's it's upside down. Because it has a different meaning, not the opposite with the card. It's a different meaning what it has. And this is what I'm reading. If cards falls out and we don't see, then intuitionally I put in anyway. It could be reversed when I turn up, but never mind. These are the main rules. Meanwhile, I was telling I shuffle the cards, and it's 10th of March, so we need to count 10 cards today. I don't want upside down. And so 10 cards, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah. So we have the 10th card. I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, leave a comment. These actions help the channel to come up for those who need help to get a direction. In this case, what's going on nowadays. If you like this video, if you think that someone can help, then you can share the video, of course, as well. Yeah. Whatever card is the 10th one, it will be on my Instagram account. Please visit Instagram, search field, @Tilarot. I will came up and you can see the description of the full description of this card, whatever it is. Let's see what is the useful energy today that my lovely color webtaki need in Poland in order to have a successful day. Lovely. Finally something good emotional. 9 of Cups. 9 of Cups. This is the feeling of when Christmas is coming. Christmas evening. If you get an, what should be the gift? What will be the gift? If you get this feeling, this is this feeling. It's almost done. It's almost fulfilled. In the last few weeks, we really made a hard work. We really made everything to clean our mind. And now the 9 of Cups says that it was a good work. We are on the way. We are almost there. Because the next one is the 10 of Cups. It's 9 of Cups. We are almost there. Don't give up. Get the emotions. Now it comes the emotion. We were a lot of sorts we had in the last few days. So it was in mind work. Now it comes. If I think right, then we are starting the emotional work. Then probably will come the cup. Will come the cups. Yeah. So emotionally work. The emotional work. What you need to feel that What you want, you have, independently that you don't have. This is unit's mind work. Switch, I have. Whatever, I don't care. It's Lamborghini, new home, another country, new boyfriend, I don't care. I have. This is the nine of swords. I have. Just like under the Christmas tree, you have what you wanted. The same. You cannot touch because everybody's waiting, and I don't know. You need to sing any Christmas songs before before you get the. This is the Christmas song singing part. When you're almost there, you can almost can catch, but still not. But you have. Know that you have, and feel that you have. This is the nine of cups right now. It's very nice. I'm very happy that it's a releasing card. That okay, we can take some deep breath. We are almost there. We can get calm. We can cold relax. After the yesterday Hermit card, it's definitely a this feeling. This is good. Not resting, but you don't need to full stress that. No, no. Okay, I have. This is what you can tell. I have, I got. It's very nice. I'm very happy to have this card, to be honest. And it's Monday. Moon, emotions, all in the same place. Yeah, it's the right place. Episode's in the right place. Thank you for being with me. With this card, I wish you a very happy and happy. Just happy. Very happy and happy Monday. Okay? Merci, au revoir, belle journée. À demain.